Hello all, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to see sorting in tuple in Python programming. Okay, so we have already started discussing about tuples in Python programming, and today in this particular video we'll see how to do the sorting in tuple. Okay, so let's get into this. So first let's take an example of a tuple. Okay, so we have already seen like how to do the sorting in lists, and today we'll see like how to do the sorting in tuple. Okay, so let's take an example of a tuple. We'll call it as tup1, or we'll take it as tuple1. Okay, is equal to, we'll take some random numbers: 25, 1, 6, 35, 98, 14. Then we'll go for 26, sorry, and 25, 32, 45, 87, 12, 0, 6, and we'll go for 78, we'll go for 23, 44, and we'll take some last number 61. Okay, so now let's try to run this particular cell. Okay, and now let's try to recall this particular tuple underscore 1. Okay, now let's try to run this particular cell. So here you can see all the numbers or all the components of the tuple which I have already defined here. Okay, now suppose if you want to do the sorting for this particular tuple, means what you have to do is like here you have to type sorted of the name of the tuple. So remember guys, like in lists what we have done is like we have used sort, but here we have to use sorted of the name of the tuple. Okay, so now let's try to run this particular cell. So now here you can see like the sorted tuple is represented in the form of lists. Okay, so what we have done previously is like we have defined a tuple and we have given a components of the tuple, and we have typed sorted of the name of the tuple. But once we run this particular cell, so here we can see the output or the sorted elements in the form of lists. Okay, so now what we have to do is like, suppose if you want all these components or the sorted components back in the form of tuple, means what you have to do is like you have to do the typecasting. Okay, so we'll do the typecasting now. I will give it as a is equal to sorted of name of tuple, and here I will give b is equal to tuple of a. Okay, so now let's try to run this particular cell. So now let's try to print b, or we will try to recall b. Then now let's see what might be the output. So now you can see like the sorted components or the sorted elements of the tuple is represented back in the form of tuple. So here you can see like the sorted components were represented in the form of lists, but now after doing the typecasting it's been represented back in the form of tuple. Okay, so that's all about this particular video. So this is all about sorting in tuple in Python programming. Okay, so I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.